What's up guys, I hope that you are doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to target on Facebook ads for local businesses and e-commerce businesses in 2019. So let's get right into it. So the first thing that I want to show you is so for local and e-commerce businesses basically. And I want to show you exactly how to maximize return over investment using retargeting and lookalikes audiences. And if you don't know anything about it, don't worry guys, because I'm going to show you step by step first what is it and how to set it up on Facebook. So let's check retargeting. So retargeting is basically you have your users. I'm going to just put it in full screen. So you have users that are going to your website. But after those users are not buying, for example, in the case of an e-commerce store. So the users is leaving it. It can be for any reason, just maybe not interesting at the moment. But you know, usually you're not making, like you can make the sales on this first visit, but you will have to do a lot of retargeting ads because your buyers will, your clients will buy on the second, on the third, maybe on the fourth ad that they will see. So you need to put retargeting ads in order so that the users can return to the website. As you can see, this is very explicit. The user comes, he leaves, you're putting a retargeting ad, so he come back to your website. And a lot of businesses don't know how to do it, don't know how to put in Facebook retargeting ads, how to set up a pixel to have retargeting ads. And this is very, very useful, and they are willing to pay a lot just for retargeting. Now, lookalike audiences. So the first step, if you want to create lookalike audiences, and I'm going to explain you what is it. If you want to create a lookalike audience, the first step is that you need a custom audience. So let's say that your client have a list of emails of his own clients. Okay, so you have a list of emails. And you are going to give this list to Facebook and to tell Facebook, hey Facebook, give me other people that are looking similar as this list. So you want Facebook to find people with similar interests, with similar age, with you know, just similar people that are looking same as the custom audience. And after you can advertise to this new audience. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. So the first thing, I'm going to show you a targeting strategy for local businesses. And here is how to target for local business. So you need to have at least, this is my strategy, at least 3 ad sets at €5, $5 per day. And so let's get to Facebook, and let's suppose that you are advertising for restaurants. So here is how to do it. So this is for local business, right? As you can see, I'm on Facebook ads. So this is my account. In your those campaigns, it's not very interesting. So the first thing that you are going to do for a local business, what is very interesting is first you see, I'm just creating the ads. So I just put ads and I'm creating the ads. So sorry, it's on French, but this is exactly the same. I'm going to translate it for you, and for the next video put it on English. What I want you to choose for the conversion. So as you can see, I put create on a campaign, the green button, and I come here. And here you will put lead generation. Okay, so we will not use ClickFunnels, we will use directly a system integrated in Facebook. So lead generation, here you will put the name of your campaign. So you can put the name of your client here to recognize it, lead generation, and you can put also, for example, that's about it, just a lead generation. So I'm going to erase this, lead generation campaign, okay? Doesn't matter really, it's just the name of the campaign. And we're going to continue. So now I'm creating an ad set. In a campaign, you have an ad set. You have a lot of ad set. So I'm going first to check up another page. Okay, so this will be for my page, but it's not. I'm not going to put this ad set. Let's see. So this is the name of the ad set, and here you are going to put the audience. So we are a restaurant and we want to advertise. So we need to think about our ideal clients. But for a restaurant, basically, food is a commodity. So everyone needs food, right? And everyone needs to eat. So here you see. So this is custom audiences. But this is the part that is interesting us. This is where we are going to tell Facebook who we want to target. So here you can choose the country. As you can see, I have France, but I can also choose an address. Let's put a random address here in France. So I'm going to put this address. Okay. Okay, I have no idea where is it. I would like to find something that I know. Okay, this is cool. Okay, so let's say this is not this is in Canada, right? But let's say our restaurant is just in the center here. So let's say that we are advertising for this restaurant. That's all we need to do. We just need to put the address of the restaurant, and you need to ask with your client like how much about the range. Maybe he can know about it more. Maybe it's 1 kilometer. You can try with 1 kilometer. So we are going to advertise for 21,000 people around the restaurant, around in this place. But we might be a little bit broad. We can say let's say 3 kilometers, and we are now advertising for 59,000 people. So usually I like to do 1 kilometer or 2 kilometers. It's because it's people that are near the restaurant, so they are more willing to go to the restaurant. So this would be one ad set, you see? And what I want you to do is to create 3 different ad sets with 3 different audiences. This is our first ad set, and what we are going to do here is to select an age. This you can put maybe 21, but this is not very important, and you can just let it as it is. You can select woman or man, and you can also select a language. So if you are English, you can just put English. Okay, so in French it's anglais. This we are not going to touch it yet. We are going to touch it for the second ad set. Okay, for placement, I would recommend you to always modify the placement, to always change it, and to just let Facebook feed and also Instagram feed. Instagram feed is also working well. I would even maybe for a restaurant just put Facebook feed in order to start, but you know, just Instagram is working very good. And if it's a pic of a burger, of something very cool, Instagram will work also very much. You can try stories because there are not a lot of people that are advertising on Instagram stories, so it might be a good idea. But this is what I would do. And for the budget, you are going to put $5 per day. This is like the minimum, guys. If you can't, if your client can't spend $5 per day per ad set, you need 3 ad sets, so $15 per day. It's not a good idea to take this client. Okay, so this is our first ad set. After you need to continue. And also you need to, so this is a problem because my Facebook page has not been accepted, but you need to, you need to be the owner of the page. Also, this is very easy. I just need to accept the condition, basically. I just put continue. And here, this is the part where I'm going to create my ads. So I recommend you to have an image, but a video is better. But if you could have if you can't have a video, take an image, but videos are really working better, and you can do remarketing on video views, on people that watch, for example, 55% of the video or 95%, you know. So this is a random image for another client, but basically we'll put the text here. So it will be something like, do you love burgers? We are giving 20 vouchers for free burgers. Okay, you need to check the offer with your clients. Click the link below to get started. Okay? After you need a title, you need also a call to action. So this is get the offer. You can profiter de l'offre, it means get the offer basically. And so yeah, and here you can get, you can create your lead gen. It will be like this, you know, Facebook is showing you what it can look like. And when your potential clients, for your clients will get the offer, they will just put their info. Facebook is doing it automatically, and they confirm it, and after the contact is going directly to your client, which is very cool. So now let's look a second ad set that we could do. This was the first broad ad set, but maybe we would like to target people that like burger, right? So we are going to a good interest would be Burger King. Okay, our first interest would be people that are interested in Burger King, to show them this ad. But as you can see, this is a little bit too small for an audience. We have just 1,000 people, so we might put 5 kilometers, and now we have 2,000. Okay, this is a little bit small for this region. In Paris, it would work a little bit better, I think, or in another city. I'm not sure, but so this would be an interest. I would recommend for local business like at least 10,000, you know, but 20,000, 50,000 is fine. After 100,000, even 100,000 is good. Don't go to the million for local business. A million people audience is better for e-commerce. And now what I would do, if I want to create another ad set, I would put suggestions here, and Facebook is basically going to give me other interests that I can target. And this is very powerful because, for example, let's say that I tried another ad set with Burger King. Now I can try another ad set with McDonald's. All right? And this is very powerful, guys. This you need to use the suggestions that Facebook is giving you. And this is the same for e-commerce. Like for e-commerce, what I would do, the strategy is that I would advertise at least 10 ad sets with different audiences at $5 per day. And if I would advertise for an e-commerce store, I have a client that is an e-commerce store, and what I do is that I try a lot of interest like this. So people that are interested in fast food, I create an ad set to test this audience. People that are interested in Pizza Hut, I would create an ad set for them. You know, so for example, if you have an e-commerce that is selling babies, like for babies, let's say, I would just put interest baby, and that's it. Baby boy. I would see the suggestions. I have baby. I can target parents, so this is very interesting. Like new parents, I would just target for new parents, basically, you know. And I would try one audience at a time. So I would just change the audience, but of course you can also change the video. You can change the ad copy. So you can change, you can change a lot of things, and you need to try everything. It's a lot of testing. It's you need to find the profitable ad set that will give you results. So now custom audiences. Basically, custom audiences is very easy, and that's how we will do. We will be able to do retargeting and lookalikes audiences. Where you need to go is you need to go to audiences here. And so now, as you can see, you have to put create audience. This is customized audience. So this is the first thing to do. And for example, if you're a local business, if you have a local business and your client is giving you a file with 1,000 emails, you can put it on Facebook. You can put it on Facebook, and after create an audience of it. If your clients have a website, there will be visitors in this website, and you can also create lookalikes, custom audience from the people that visited the website. So you can take all the visitors of a website and say to Facebook, this is my audience. And once you have this audience that you created, you can create a lookalike audience. So when you have your file, when you have the file of your client, okay, so you have 1,000 emails and you have this audience. So you can select it, okay, let's say that it's this audience, you can select it, and now all you have to do is to select a country. So you will say, for example, United States, or we're in Canada, so let's put Canada, okay. We're going to advertise in Canada, and as you can see, I had a very small audience of, for example, 1,000 emails, and I'm going to expand this audience to similar people. So as you can see, my audience is growing up, and I can advertise now to this audience. 1% means that they are very similar. Now 2% it's bigger but less similar, but you have to try all those percent. You have to try 1%, you have to advertise for the 2%, lookalike audience for the 3%, for the 4%. You see it's getting a little bit bigger. So what I would do is I would stay with maybe 1 and 2% from this file. From it's a lookalike audience from all emails that my clients give me, and I would try the 1% and the 2%. It's a new audience to target. And so this is lookalikes, and for retargeting, I would just create a custom audience of the visitors of my website, and I would just advertise to them. So when you create an audience of the visitors of a website, all you need to do after is to create an ad set and to put this audience, and that's all. That's all you need to do, basically. So I'm going to show you where is it. You see in the audience part. So this is downloading, a little bit long. Okay, we get it. You see in this audience part, we are going to use a custom audience. And here you will have your custom audience, so you have your website visitors, and you can just remarket to them. You can also have all the people that added to cart in an e-commerce for an e-commerce client, and you can remarket to them if you have a lot of add to carts. All people that added to cart but didn't buy, you can remarket to them, and this is very powerful. So that's it for lookalikes audiences and remarketing audiences. And remarketing. I hope that it has been clear. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. And also, if you want more, a conversation with me, I answer all DMs on Instagram. So make sure that you follow me on Instagram and shoot me a DM. I really answer everybody, guys. So if you need any guidance, any help, if you have any questions, just DM me on Instagram. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and comment also if you would like another topic that I can talk about. So that's it for this video, guys. I will see you in the next video.